In this module, we'll discuss how to view batch-wise expiry report. Firstly, let us understand what is a batch-wise expiry report. The batch-wise expiry report allows you to efficiently track and manage stock nearing the expiry date. It provides detailed insights at batch level, helping you identify expiring and expired items within specific time frames. This ensures that you can take timely actions to reduce waste and maintain optimal inventory levels. Now, to view your batch-wise expiry report, navigate to the inventory dashboard, go to the Report and More drop-down and select Batch-wise expiry report. By default, the report shows the expiry of all batches across all warehouses. If you have enabled warehouse in your inventory, you can use the warehouse filter to view batch expiry details in specific warehouses. Now let's discuss batch-wise expiry report in detail. Item name and SKU ID. Here, you'll see the name and SKU ID of each item in your inventory. Stock in hand. This shows the total quantity of stock that's currently available. Expired. This column shows you the quantity of stock that has already been expired. You can view stock expiring in different time frames such as 0 to 15 days, 16 to 30 days, etc. And these time frames are divided into two sections. Quantity, which has both absolute and percentage format. Value, which will give you the monetary amount of the stock that is being expired. Similarly, you can view stock expired within different time frames, and again it is divided into two sections, which is quantity and value. To get a deeper look at the batches that are expiring or expired, click on the quantity for any given time frame. This will open a detailed modal displaying batch specific information. Here you can view detailed information for the expiring stock in different time frames, such as the batch details, expiry date, warehouse, and more. You can also download your batch-wise expiry report from the Download CSV option. And that's it.